How to import a CSV show file and create a HiPal A project. To import a CSV file, in the Management tab, tap on Import Project. Tap Browse to select the location where you stored the file. iCloud Drive opens by default. If you use another storage service like Dropbox or Google Drive, tap on Locations in the top left corner. In this example, our file is stored on iCloud Drive. Queen and Adam Lambert version 2.2 is the show we want to import. Before the import begins, HiPal A gives you the opportunity to make sure it's correctly identified the column types in the CSV file. Marked in green, HiPal A automatically identified 3 columns as coordinate X, point name, and load. Due to the missing labeling of the second column in the CSV file, HiPal A couldn't identify its type. When this happens, HiPal A will mark it as ignored. Tap Edit and select the correct identification. When finished with your changes, tap Done. Everything looks good. Tap Import. File import is now completed. HiPal A now proceeds to create your HiPal A project. Here you can enter a name for the project. HiPal A will automatically fill a name for you. Once done, tap Next in the top right corner. Select the venues for your project, then tap Next. Review the project details, then tap Create Project.